Is what it is, but it's a boy Floyd Maremba, aka Floyd M, and welcome to Auto Review. Today we're here at webuycars. We're gonna be looking for kombis. So we're gonna be looking for 8-seaters, 7-seaters, or 11-seaters. So our first car for the day is this Kombi. It is still okay. Everything on this car is still in a good condition. So this is the 2017 VW T6 Kombi, which is going for 210,900, and it has 270,335 kilometers on the clock, and it is a category A, meaning you cannot finance the car. So I don't know anything about the declare report of this car, but to me it is still good for its mileage. When you buy this car, obviously you have to change those tires. Yeah man, let's check at the back. I don't see any problems at the back. I don't see any problems. So this car comes with a 2-inch right there. This side it is still good. All the windows are tinted. Unfortunately the car it is locked, so let's check the driver's seat here. Maybe it's not locked. The car it is locked, but as you can see there, you have a steering wheel, you have your 2 color seats there, you have your steering wheel, your infotainment system right there. Yeah man, even at the back you have the same thing, 2 color seats. Yeah, the car it is still in a good condition, as you can see. So let's check this one. This one it is still in a mint condition. Let's check how much is this one. So this one is the 2012 VW T5 Caravelle 2.0. So this car is going for 215,900. It is a category B, as you can see there. So it has 174,942 kilometers on the clock. Yeah man. So let's check the body of the car. I think suspension, this car has a suspension problem. As you can see here, it is very low. Even at the front there, it is very low. The body is still okay. So when you buy this car, you have to change your tire right there. It has a punch, as you can see there. But yeah man, the car it is okay, but hey, that mileage it is too big. So when it comes to the interior, you have your multifunction steering wheel, your manual gear right there, your infotainment system, leather seats with armrest. Let's check at the back. At the back I don't see anything because there's a net, but the car it is okay. So let's check this one. This one it is still new man. This one it is still new. Let me show you the front. This one it is still new. Just look at this one. It seems like it was wrapped. The color it is still okay. So this one is the 2019 Volkswagen T6 Kombi 2.0 TDI DSG. So this car is going for 453,900. So you're looking to pay 8,509 per month. So it is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to, so it has 99,875 kilometers in the clock. This car it is still new man. What do you think about this Kombi? It is still new. Let's check the body. The car it is new man. What do you think about this car? Even at the back, oh, it's from Limpopo. I didn't see it. The car is still new. It has a 2H right there, so that you can pull your trailer. This car has a 2 color. Look here, or look here, and here. Up there is cream white, down there is white, or maybe it's the sun or something, but it is still in a good condition. So you have a multifunction steering wheel right there. Your seats are covered, as you can see. Your infotainment system right there, your gear there. Yeah, man. Let's check this V-Class. This V-Class. V-Class. It is still new, man. Even this V-Class, it is still okay. There was a video trending back in 2019, I think 2019 or 2020. So this guy said, "Get out in my fucking what," and this car trended a lot. So this is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz V250, V250. So this guy is going for 956,900, close to $1 million. So you're looking to pay 17,537 per month, but mileage is too high, guys, for that amount. And it is a 2019 car, so mileage is 94,514. So it is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So if you have 956,900, do you think you'll buy a 2019 Mercedes-Benz V-Class? Or I'm just exaggerating, but this car, it is still okay. But for a 2019 car to pay close to $1 million, I don't think I can waste my money. But if you wanna invest, but you can buy this car, man. You can. So you're also having your toys there at the back. There's your toys there. Your parking sensors there. Your V200D right there. Yeah, man, the car, it is still okay, but I don't think I can buy a car for that amount. So the interior, you have a leather seats, your automatic gear there, right there, your multifunction steering wheel there, your infotainment set right there. Yeah, man, but I don't think I can buy this car, man. It is too much. It is too much for that amount. So our next Kombi, it is this one. I think it is this one. Let me check if we have like reviewed this one, because the last Kombi we reviewed is from Limpopo. No, we didn't, but it's the same year as the last one we did. But let's check the price for this one. So this one is going for 307,900. Not super. I'm too hungry, guys. It's been a long day here at webuycars. As you can see, hear my voice, I'm mixing words. So this car is going for 307,900. So it is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. So it has 219,624 kilometers on the clock. Yeah, but it is still okay, man. It is still okay. Yeah, let's check this Ford right here. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. This one is the 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDC, which is going for 87,900. So it is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. So it has 275,157. So the first red flag I saw on this car is this windscreen is cracked. Obviously they have written it on the technical report. Let's check other issues. Let's check. Obviously the lighting, they've written there the technical report. But yeah, man, if you have a business to transport things, you can buy this car. So you have your close seat there. It seems like they are still okay. You have your steering wheel right there, your radio there, your gear there. Yeah, man, there's nothing too much about this car as is for the work. Even at the back, it is still okay. As you can see, it is still okay. All the tires are still okay. Yeah, man. So let's check this car for the last. This is the last car, guys. I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry. So this VW is still okay, man. As you can see at the front, it is still okay. So this is the 2020 Volkswagen Caddy, which is going for 184,900. So I'm looking to pay 3,681. So it has 143,626 kilometers on the clock. So it is a category A. Yeah, and it also has a green sticker right there, as you can see. Yeah, man, but the car is still okay. Let's go through the car so that you can check any. So it has scratches there. Obviously they are written on the technical report. It has dent right there, and right there. You also have a tow hitch right there, which is good. Yeah, man, I think I will end it here, guys. Please subscribe. I think even the door right there, you can see there's a space right there. It seems like the adjustment, it was not done properly, or it was been in an accident. As you can see right here, it is straight, but up here it is a window. Yeesh. We're starting to assume, guys, it is a window. So let's check inside. So you have your electric windows right there. You have your steering wheel, your dash screen there, your seats, your gear, your radio there. The car, it is good, man. Yeah, man, it's the end of this video, guys. If you can subscribe, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.